Lamsogo jotono haino hai atukri careero norong bagai haino hai kaisa kotal notification tui phekya omongkha TTADC ni job ni related no omo tam ni hinkhe omongkha je Sub-Zonal Development Officer eba khe Deputy Principal Officer ni exam 9 tarik March 2023 o tongmani abo slaijagui thangkha date election rong bagai wngui mano naidi o notification kotal buphang ongkhorka hingkhe 29 February 2024 o official ongkhorka hingkhe tabuk 9 tarik March 2024 ni slaijagui buphang sinai hingkhe June ni 16 tarik 2024 o wngsinai exam ulo notification karjaknai bujaga exam wngnai tei oro candidate bo kwbang aboni bagui center rok thik khainani bagui time nangnai aboni bagui no omo slaijak khana kakhai norok bujikhana hinui omoni exam 9 tarik March 2024 wnglia omo June ni 16 tarik 2024 o wngsinai aswngno hambai।